At South Coast Water District, protecting public health, our coast, and our environment is at the core of everything we do. That's why we're proud to showcase our largest and most ambitious capital project to date, the Tunnel, Stabilization, and Sewer Pipeline Replacement Project. Built in 1954, this 2-mile tunnel beneath South Laguna Beach quietly carried over 1 million gallons of wastewater every day, relying solely on gravity, without pumps, and without spills. But after more than 6 decades, the tunnel and the pipeline were at risk of failure. That's when we got to work.
Hi, I'm Daniel Guerra, the Collection System Supervisor with South Coast Water District. From inside that tunnel, I can tell you, it's more than a pipe, it's a peace of mind. We've improved access and eliminated a need for 6 additional lift stations, and we still have the old pipe in place for redundancy. We've had no beach closures due to sewer spills since 2017, and none are expected.
To avoid catastrophic failure, we took bold action. Much of this work was done by hand, carefully mining through 10,000 feet of tunnel, with our contractors working just feet from the coastline. Our $100 million investment expanded the tunnel from 5 foot by 5 foot to a 9-foot horseshoe shape, replaced the aging pipeline, and added 80 new laterals. It's safer, more resilient, and ready for the next 100 years. I want to personally thank the South Coast Water District team, from engineering and sanitary operations to public outreach and finance, and our board. Your dedication made this project a success. Special thanks also goes to Parsons, the construction manager, and Drill Tech, our contractor, and all the subcontractors who tackled every challenge underground with professionalism and precision. To CASA, thank you for recognizing this once-in-a-century project with your Outstanding Capital Project Award. On behalf of everyone at South Coast Water District, we are extremely honored. Together, we're building a resilient future.